Well, this one we got a couple more things from Harbor Freight. Uh, I had a little bit of problems with my other jack, so I got a new jack. And let's get the camera turned around and get into it. Show you even better, right? Okay, first up we have this little tool creeper. It was only like $14, $14.99, something like that. It's for when you're underneath a car or truck on a creeper, and you don't have to have your tools sitting all over the floor and rolling around. And when you move over to a different location, you got to go back over there and move all your tools back. Put them in here and roll them with you. They all stay with you. It says it only holds 30 pounds, so I don't know about that, but we'll see. It was only $14, so I figured why not? I'll try it out because I got to do some more work on my truck out there, and this probably come in handy. Oh, speaking of the truck, let's zoom, or not zoom, but pan out here. Let's see. Let me come over here. It's raining, so I don't want to go out there in the rain. But can you see? Hopefully you can. See, it's pretty much level. It kind of don't look like it on camera, but trust me, it's level. The driveway is also slanted that way down towards the street, so it's level. So I still don't know if I'm going to install the rear part of that level kit. All I did was install the front. But you should already know that because you already seen that video, right? All right, next up, we got a Quinn 33-inch extendable indexing pry bar. Now, as you already know, let me go over here and get it. Let's take a walk with me. We need to exercise, right? As we already know, whoa, look at all of that stuff. As everybody already knows, I have the Ulsa one. Let's go back over here. You see the difference? Hopefully you can see the difference. This one's a smaller one. And no, this is not the one they sent me. They did send me one, but I gave that to my son. I actually bought this one. Just wanted to show you the size differences of it. I had a 36-inch snap-on pry bar, but again, I gave it to my son. My son needed it more than I did, so I gave it to him. He needed it on his new job, so hopefully he's putting it to some good use. And I don't know if you've noticed, but what's this? The Daytona, and the box is kind of blocking some of it, but 3-ton, low profile, long reach. Oh, can you see that? Yeah. And I had to get it in orange. The only ones they had one orange and 2 of the blue ones. I didn't want the blue. I actually wanted the black one, but they didn't have it. Of course, the next day when I went back to get those long ratchet wrenches, that Harbor Freight did have a black one, so I should have waited and just got it there because I wanted a black one. Of course, the Daytona would have been in white, but orange and black is cool. That's Harley colors, right? All right, so let's get this stuff open and out of the packages and look at it a little closer up. Okay, here's a little tool creeper. It's got a couple handles on it where you can pick it up. Obviously, it ain't gonna roll too good on the jack box, but you can pick it up there, or you can pick it up from either side. Both sides. Came with a wrench to put the wheels on, and as you can see, if you didn't, I guess you can see that. If you didn't have that wrench, you'd need to have a thin wrench because a regular wrench will not fit in there. Anyway, there's that. It's pretty cool. I think it'll work all right. Hold the tools. That way they're all in one place and you can scoot it around under the car or wherever you go. You don't have to worry about moving one tool at a time, right? Anyway. All right, here the pry bar is, all extended. Now, it says 33" up there, but it says it measures 33.5 to the bend, to where this is. So, you know me. Hold on, just look at the pry bar. You know we got to try it, right? So, up there, where the bend is, all the way down here, guess what it is? 33.5. So at least they didn't lie, right? One of the tape measures I got from Tools and Tactics. Pretty cool. Anyway, so as you can see, I haven't opened the box of the jack yet. So let's do that. Be right back. Okay, there's the jack. Nice long handle. Now it says I'm supposed to check the fluid in it, so I haven't done that yet, but I will, just off camera. Anyway, instead of jacking it up like this and having to bend over a lot for it to come up, it's got the foot pedal on it. All you do is hit the foot pedal. Look at that. I mean, you could probably technically jack it up. I don't know how hard it'll be to push down once they're trying to lift the vehicle, but you get it up to where you're going and then you just jack it up the rest of the way. Look how high that goes. Well, let me use the foot pedal, get it on up there. Look how high that goes. Man, that would have came in handy when I did my truck, because a little Pittsburgh one over there, I think you can see it right in there underneath the toolbox. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Right there. It kind of struggled, and the handle to it is way over there. I don't know if I can zoom that far or not. Let's look. Yeah, see the handle over there? Right there, the gray handle with the black on it. That's the handle to that jack. Anyway, this jack right here is awesome. Now I got the low pro. Just put that anywhere. Ghost moved it. It was sitting up there on the wall and it just fell down. Anyway, I got this low profile long reach. That way you can get it under a lower car, and the long reach meaning it'll go under farther than one of those jacks. That way the handle don't end up hitting the side of the car or the bumper, whichever end your side or end you're going jacking up, right? And plus, I don't think the other jack will fit under my wife's Dodge Charger, but this one will. Because it says somewhere, I think it said on the box, it's only like, let me go over here to the box and see if it says it. Yeah, low profile, where's it at? Way down there. You see that? It's only 3¼ inches tall when the jack is down. So you see that? That's cool. It is heavy, I will say that. You ain't gonna just throw that in the back of a pickup truck as easy as you would that other one over there, that little short one from Pittsburgh. Okay. That about wrapped this one up. I just wanted to show you that jack and the little tool creeper and the pry bar. Now, One thing I will say, I have a question. Has anybody ever broke one of these pry bars? These Quinn pry bars? Let me see if I can get you over there. Because you see right there, wait, let me turn this around. I don't know if it'll flip around. You see right there? I guess you can see that. It says lifetime warranty on it. But guess what? There is no part number, there is no name, no nothing on this pry bar. I mean, all it says is wear goggles or some crap. So let me get this flipped back around. So if you break it, will they replace it? I mean, are they going to say it's not theirs? It's not a Quinn. It's not their a Harbor Freight brand. I don't know. It's kind of strange. It don't have any kind of name or anything on it. I don't know. Leave me a comment down there and let me know what you think. And like I said in one of the other videos, I think it was this video with all the wrenches. Make sure you leave a comment and hit the thumbs up because it helps the channel out a lot. YouTube pushes the videos out to more people. When people actually comment and hit the thumbs up, it lets people know that, or lets YouTube know that people like it. I always do that when I click on a video. Usually I don't click on it unless I have enough time to watch the whole video. And when I do watch the video, I'll hit the thumbs up and leave a comment, some kind of comment. It don't matter what the comment is. It just helps the algorithm, right? Everybody fighting the algorithm these days. But anyway, that's all I got for this one. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.